Hi guys, I'm here today to show you this 3-bedroom semi-detached extended property over on Doveyleys Road in Salford. So to the property we have the garage to the rear, this large off-road parking to the front. Now as we enter the property we're welcomed with this beautiful entrance hallway, original staircase, really good space, also the downstairs toilet, which is really handy to have. Now to the front of the property we have this large bay fronted living room, loads of natural light, really good space for family, for entertaining. Got the second reception room, original fireplace, double doors to the rear there, looking out on the garden, which is really nice and quiet space, not overlooked at all. We then have the third reception room. Again, a really good space in here, which leads through to this large kitchen. Space for a freestanding fridge, freezer and oven. Loads of workspace in here, overlooking the garden as well. And as we head out to the rear, we've got access to the garage on the right, which also has electric. Steps up to the back of the garden, which again, this garden gets the sun most of the day during summer. It's a really good space, you're not overlooked at all. Shed for storage, really quiet back here. Space for your bins. You can see the double doors to the second reception room there as well. Now as we head back through the property and we go up the stairs, you'll find 3 generously sized bedrooms. This property would be great for a family looking to upsize or even downsize. Be a great first time buy also. So to the front of the property we've got the 3rd bedroom. It's got built-in wardrobes, loads of storage space. We then have the master bedroom here to the front, bay fronted, fitted wardrobes again, really good space with loads of natural light, really quiet out the front. And then as we head to the rear of the property, you'll find the 2nd bedroom, which again has fitted wardrobes, really big size bedrooms. This bedroom does overlook the garden again. You see how quiet it is. And then we have the WC and bathroom here, which are currently separate but could be knocked through into one. Really large shower. And also a loft access, which the loft is fully boarded, just used for storage at the moment. But if you would like a viewing on this property, please give us a call and we'll get you booked in.